All right, here we go. Question number 18 from our 0314, homework number 6 in MyLab Math. And the instructions say solve. So here we have a radical equation, specifically a square root equation. And the first thing that you have to do if you're going to solve a square root equation is you have to isolate the radical. That means that you can only have square root stuff on one side. And so by putting the parentheses around the square root piece, I can see that there is nothing else on the left. So the square root is isolated. Remember that the index of a square root is 2. And in order to get rid of a square root, since the index is 2, I'm going to have to square it. So in general, if you want to get rid of a radical, you have to raise it to the index power. But whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So we're going to square both sides. And a square and a square root cancel. So that's going to leave me 4x minus 9 equals, well, 1 squared is 1 times 1, which is 1. And then I've got 2 more steps and I'm done. Moving the minus 9 makes it a plus 9. 4x equals 10. And divide both sides by 4. X equals, now this does need to be reduced to lowest terms. 10 fourths reduces to 5 halves. And if you want to, you can plug that back in and check it. I do recommend that you plug that back in and check it, but I feel pretty confident. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in and see if MyLab Math likes it. Bam! There you go. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.